everyone, I'm here to show you how to grill your own fruit. And so we're going to be making a grilled peach or nectarine. It's really up to you what you have lying around. Peaches are great, nectarines are great, really whichever one, like I said. We're going to just make a really simple honey whipped cream to go with it, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to grill your fruit, indoors or outdoors. And so I'm doing an indoor grill today. I've got it preheated, pretty warm, not hot though. And then I've got 2 nectarines here and a little bit of olive oil. And then I've got my whipped cream ready to go too. So I'm gonna start by taking care of I have nectarines. And so really, again, what you want. So I'm gonna have to take the seed out. So I'm gonna hold it in my hand and I'm gonna go around it. Being careful, okay? Make sure you line all those lines up and you go all the way around, and then you should just be able to twist and it should come right off. Depending on how many people you're serving this for and how big these are, you can go ahead and cut these in half again, or you can keep them half just like this. And then you can actually dig out a little bit more of the middle if you want, or you can quarter them and then you can get more surface area for grilling. So I'm just gonna take care of that. And then some people will be like, well, what do you do about this seed or this side? What you wanna do is you wanna gently nudge it out. So just kind of wiggle, 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 and it'll wiggle right out. And then we're gonna cut that too, just like that. So again, we're gonna go around it. And if it doesn't wanna come out, the seed, sometimes the cling-frees aren't really cling-free, go ahead and just cut around the fruit. I'm gonna twist again, and if it doesn't wanna twist, like this, so if it's not twisting, it's not coming apart, don't worry, cut around it. So what I'm gonna do is I can feel it, and I'm gonna go around the seed, just like that. So these aren't as pretty sliced, but I've got more surface area still that I can do too. All right, so I'm gonna grab a little bit of olive oil, and I'm just gonna dip my fingers in there actually, and I'm just gonna rub it all over. You can toss them in a bowl if it helps you, if you wanna do that extra dish, but I don't need to, and so I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm just gonna put them on the grill, and that's it. The flesh side down first, so keep the skin on there for the last thing to grill. And then all these random shaped ones, completely okay, because what you can do is you can serve them like that, or you can even chop it up and serve it with a little bit of extra nuts or other fruit. So we're just gonna leave those ready to grill until they soften up. Now I'm gonna make my whipped cream. So when you make whipped cream, you usually want it to be as cold as possible. So I've actually had this bowl with the whipping cream in the refrigerator the whole time. And I'm using heavy whipping cream, and then I've got honey ready to go. And then if you have vanilla, you can add some vanilla too. Oh, my hands are greasy though. I'm gonna open up my honey if I can. This is when I need one of those jar openers. I promise, there we go. There's my honey. All right, so we want about 1 tablespoon for 1 cup. Honey does tend to be a little bit sweeter than regular sugar, and so if you want to just use regular sugar, you can. Just use a little less. All right, so I've got it ready. I'm not gonna add it in yet. I'm gonna start by whipping it up to about a soft peak. And I'm gonna tilt my bowl, and I'm gonna let it go. As you can tell, I'm rotating the bowl and the mixer at the same time to get double the amount of. kind of tilt over. I want a stiff peak would mean that it stands up. So I'm at a soft peak right now. I was trying to turn these guys while I was doing that, and that didn't work very well. Okay, there we go. I am going to continue flipping. Nectarine until they've got just marks. All I'm looking for are grill marks. If you wanted them softer, you can grill them for longer, but we're gonna finish off by grilling them on their back. So that skin side is gonna be the last part that we grill. That's it. So now we're gonna add our honey. So at a soft peak, we can start adding our honey. We want 1 tablespoon, so that's 3 teaspoons. So that's why I'm using a teaspoon right now. And then you can taste. If you feel like it needs a little bit more, go ahead and add a little bit more. But now I'm gonna whip this until it's stiff. We are at a stiff peak, so that when I dip my feeders in, everything should stand straight up, which it does. If I overdo this, it becomes butter. So be careful from soft peak to a tall peak. It can be pretty quick. So all we're gonna do now is we're gonna pull these nectarines off the grill, and then we're gonna serve them with your whipped cream. See you later. Bye.